Hi everyone, welcome back to the class again. So today class we will talk about the facial expression. So we're gonna do some blend shape emotion expression like for happy, angry, sorrow, joy, and it's all done by mark the face of our character. So yeah, let's do it. So for the facial expression, I have give some guide for the expression guide here. So we can like put it our guide here and we can scale it like this. All right. And this will be our guide for the facial emotion for our character. And we will be using this head here. And then we can make it to the default state first. All right. Like this. And then we can start doing the emotion expression by referencing for our guide here. So we have here like a for expression, and this one called angry. All right, this one called angry. So for the angry here, we gotta focus on the mouth here. All right, and then for the eyes, and then for the eyebrow as well. All right, so to create this expression, what we're gonna mark is the mouth, eyes, and the eyebrow. So the point on making this emotion is to make like an emotion like this. All right, and then we want to make it like angry, and then we will have like eyebrow. So this will be our emotion for the angry, and then we're gonna have the joy expression or the happy expression here. So this will be the happy expression. Then we're gonna have it mouth, and for this mouth here we can use a mouth of our character mouth. So this one is for the happy. All right, so for the happy here we gonna still have the eye, and then we're gonna have the eyebrow to be moved a little bit up here, and we can make it like this. So for the happy here, okay, so we're gonna make it like this. So this will be our happy face. So this will be angry and happy face. And now the next one, we're gonna create the sorrow face or sad, I think. All right, so this will be sad or the sorrow. So for the sorrow and sad here, we still have the eye move. So the eye, so I'm sorry, not for the eye, I mean for the mouth here. So the mouth will be like sad, so it will be like this. All right, so it will be like closing the mouth here, and then it will be like quiet, want to cry. All right, something like that. And then we're gonna create like this. So for the sad expression, it will be like the mouth here, it will be more like here, more like this, wavy. All right, and then we're gonna have this eye will be have a mark here. Okay, so it's like kind of sad expression, and then we're gonna have the eyebrow to be like this. All right, so we're gonna edit this eyebrow. Okay, so yeah, still same with the other things. We still will have edit to our mouth, eyes and eyebrow. And the next part here, we're gonna create some joy expression. So it's like she get something like a gift or something. So she will be like reacting a joy expression. So for the joy expression here, we're gonna have a mouth here that we will create it from the O expression. So it will be like this O. Okay. And then we're gonna make the eyes a little bit bigger. All right, like eye wide. All right, so the eye will be open wide, like something like this. All right, and then it will be have the eyebrow like this. Okay. All right, so we will create this open wide eye, and then the eyebrow similar to the happy eyebrow. So this 4 will be our guide for the expression. So we will create this for our character facial expression by using the blend shape. And then yeah, I think we can start creating it. All right, so let's get started. So first here, we gonna select our head here, and then we gonna mark first for the mouth. All right, so we're gonna create new blend shape, give name for angry, value 1, and then we will like making it to the up here. All right, we will make it a curvy here. We're gonna use a rod, and then we're gonna move it like this. Okay, and then we're gonna have this part here move down, and then we're gonna rotate it, and then we're gonna move it down and rotate it like this. All right, so it will be look like this. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is to move this part here more upper. Okay, all right, like this. And then we're gonna small it a little bit here. So it's like this doing an angry mouth or something. All right, like this. Next, we gonna edit our eyes so it will looks like angry. So the next things that we're gonna create some blend shape here, call it angry, and then here as well. So we're gonna make the eyelids a little bit down here and angry like this. Okay, so pull it out, and then we're gonna make it to 1, and then we're gonna pull this down as well. All right, so it will be like angry eyes. Okay, like this, and then we can pull this down a little bit, and then move it up a little bit like this. Okay, and now what we're gonna do here is like angry here, and then we can move this to the back, use a smooth, and move it back like this, and here like this. All right, now it's down here. Now the next thing that we're gonna do is for the eyebrow. So we're gonna create like angry, and then make it value 1, and then we're gonna make it angry. Just pull this part here down. All right, like this. All right, and pull this up like this. All right, and then we can rotate it a little bit here, so it looks like angry. All right, and then we can make it up here like this. Then we can make it something like this. All right, and then move it up a little bit here. Okay, so it will be looks like angry now. Okay, so yeah, this will be the face for the angry. So since the mouth is moving up, so we better move it down a little bit here. All right, go to the root and move it down. Okay, like this. All right, and then this will be our angry mouth. All right. Next, we're gonna have this little bit sharper. Like this. Okay. So it will be looks more angry now. All right, cool. The next things that we're gonna create is for the joy expression. So for the joy expression, we can create it from the blink, a combination of blink and mouth A. So we're gonna have, so to do that, we're gonna have this mouth A here, all right, and the tongue A, okay, and then we're gonna have this blink, and we're gonna use blink like this, all right, and then we're gonna have it new shape from mix, and we have this as happy. Right now, every time we make it into one, it will be have a mouth and the eye automatically. All right, and then this part here, we're gonna duplicate it and call it happy as well. And we're gonna duplicate it here as well and call it happy. And the next things that we're gonna do is for the eyebrow here, call it happy, and we will need to move it up a little bit up here. All right, so it will be looks like this. Move it up like this. All right, and then we're gonna move this down. All right, so it will be looks like this. Okay, all right, and then we are done here. So this will be our joy or happy expression, but next we're gonna make this more exaggerate for a happy face, so we're gonna make it more wider. All right, and we move it up a little bit here like this. Okay, so it will be looks more smiley face. Okay, cool. Now the next things that we're gonna create is for the sad eye here and the sad expression or sorrow. All right, so how to do this? We're gonna have this into the default state. Okay, same with the tongue here. So these things we're gonna use shape from and call it happy and make it like this. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna make this a sad expression, and how to do this is actually we will create a mouth, the set mouth first, like what we already talking about. So we should make it a little wavy for the mouth here. All right, so first we will have this move down, and then we're gonna rotate this part here. All right, like this. And then we're gonna create it like this. Okay. And then move this up a little bit like this. And then we're gonna create like a share, like a set expression. Okay. And then we're gonna make this a little bit down. Next, we're gonna create eyes like us, like set here. So we're gonna create like this as a set expression. Set, okay. And then we're gonna move this down a little bit. And then make it like this. All right, like this. Okay, cool. And this will be the set expression. And then we're gonna move this down. All right, here as well. And then we're gonna have the eyebrow here to have a set. All right, so we're gonna, how to do that? We're gonna rotate it, smooth and rotate it like this. Then I think we are done here. So it will be like a set expression. So we're gonna make it a little bit up here for this part here. Okay. All right. So it looks like she want to angry, but not. But she like want to have like a cry tears or something. All right. So yeah, it will be like this. So yeah, we are done with the set expression here. And the next things that we're gonna create is for the joy expression. All right. So we're gonna make this default state and make this as a default state as well. And this one here as well. Okay. The last thing that we gonna create it to have more empathize for the set expression. We gonna give this like set blend shape as well. Go to the value one. All right. And then we can make it the eyes more bigger like this and smaller like this. Okay. And then we can have this and make it bigger. And then this part also make it bigger as well. All right. So we can make it like this. And then we're gonna have this part here. And we're gonna move it like this. Okay. So it will be more like a want to cry expression or something. So it will be looks like this. Okay, cool. So yeah, this will be sad sorrow. And then we're gonna make a joy expression here. For the joy expression, we can create new expression and call it joy. Move it to value one. And then first we gonna have our all mode first. So I think we can delete the joy first. And then we can make a O expression like this. And then the teeth into O expression like this. And then also the tongue into O expression like this. Okay. After that, we gonna create a new shape from mix. Call it joy. All right. And then we can make it more like surprise. Okay, we're gonna make it up like this and this part here as well. All right, and this part here we're gonna create a new shape from mix and call it joy as well. and make it default state, and then we can create it like this. All right, and then we can move this down a little bit here. Okay, cool. And then we can edit it a little bit here like this. Okay, so it will be more thinner like this. Okay, cool. And now what we're gonna do is to have the eyes are open wide. So let's move this up here, make it down like this. All right, and then here as well, we're gonna make it bigger. All right, like this. Same with the eyelids. We're gonna create like a joy blend shape, make it into one value, and then go making it up like this. All right, so it's like wow or something. Okay, like this. All right, cool. And move this down a little bit, and then we can create it like this for the part down here. Okay, all right, move it down, move it up like this. All right, cool. And then we can make a shape key for this as joy. All right, and we can make it like smaller pupil here, and then we can like make it smaller as well like this. All right, and then we can make it to value 1, and then we can create it into like this. Okay, all right, like this. Okay, cool. And the next part that we're gonna create, we're gonna adjust this here. All right, like this. And then we're gonna create like a joy eyebrow. So we're gonna create this, or we have our happy eyebrow like this, and then we can just new shape from mix, call it joy, and then move it more upper like this, and then we are done. Okay, so this for the joy, for the sad expression, happy, and angry. So we have done creating our 4 expression for the facial expression. And yeah, that's for today class, and I hope you can practicing creating a facial expression on your own or your 3D character. And in the next video we will talking about the blend shape and exaggeration expression. So actually we will create more exaggeration expression based on from these 4 expression by using a 2D and make it more 2D to this expression. So yes, so like adding a plus and adding like a tear or something, or a shadow to make it more like angry or something like that. So yeah, next we're gonna talk about the exaggeration expression. So see you on the next class.